everyone, how are you? Hope you're all doing good. I am back with another delicious recipe. This is a fusion recipe when Dalgona coffee meets affogato. A lot of you know what affogato is, and if you don't know it, then let me tell you real quick. Affogato is a Italian dessert category thing. Usually it uses alcohol, but I am making this whole recipe alcohol free. So for that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with making my Dalgona coffee frothing. I'm gonna take 1 pack of Folgers instant coffee, add some water, maybe like 3 tablespoons, and then sugar according to the taste. And then I'm gonna use my frother to give it a good mix and froth, froth, froth. This would be like taking the 50 shades. It takes time. Yes, you're gonna froth, 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 and it's gonna keep changing its color from dark to brown to a little bit more beige shade. You see it's changing its color, so it's gonna change its consistency along with its color. Alright, so my Dalgona coffee frothing is ready. Now I'm gonna make the affogato part. For that, usually the recipe uses water and mixed coffee in it. Basically, you brew maybe a half cup of coffee. But I'm using again another pack of Folgers instant coffee, 1/4 cup of water, and mixing it. And I'm gonna, for this option, I'm gonna use my frother again and give it a good froth so it is fluffy and airy. So you see, just within like less than 10 seconds, it changed its volume to this, and I cannot tell you how good this looks, and it not only looks, it tastes good. So this is where the fusion's gonna come. So for option 1, I'm gonna take my frothy coffee. Keep in mind I have not added any sugar in it. Now I'm gonna add some heavy whipping cream. You can skip it or use milk instead. And now I'm gonna add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. You can choose any brand, any flavor that you like, but vanilla ice cream tastes better than any other ice cream flavor. And then I'm gonna top it with my Dalgona coffee mixture. This gives it the silky smooth flavor that Dalgona coffee actually always have. Now you can top it with toasted nuts like hazelnut or pistachios, but I am actually adding chocolate syrup and my favorite whipped cream. And here we go. This is our first option for our affogato mix Dalgona coffee. Now this has original affogato flavor because of the coffee bitterness, but the smoothness of the Dalgona and the frothiness of Dalgona, you can have it with spoon or add a straw. If you add nuts, you probably want to eat this with spoon, but otherwise you can just enjoy with a straw. So for second option, take a clear glass or cup of your choice, add few ice cubes, and now I'm adding again some cream, the heavy cream. You can use milk instead. And now I'm gonna add at least 3 scoops. This is a milder version where if you like light coffee flavors, but you don't want the bitterness of the coffee, but like a milky smooth texture. So I'm gonna add 3 scoops of the vanilla ice cream, and now I'm topping it with my espresso, which I used Folgers for. I didn't make it too frothy this time, you can see. And again, you can add hazelnuts or pistachios or liqueur, but I'm not doing that. Now I'm gonna add again my favorite chocolate syrup, and you can add lots of it if you like. And now I'm gonna add again my favorite whipping cream. You can totally skip this and add more ice cream or milk, but again, like I said, I love the fluffiness and the airy flavor. So now I'm topping it with my Dalgona coffee mixture. This will bring the sweetness to it because keep in mind there's no additional sweetness in it than the ice cream and my Dalgona coffee mixture or this whipping cream. And here we go. This is our second option for our Dalgona infusion affogato, and you can again add nuts or liqueur, but I'm not doing that, and I'm just gonna enjoy this with my straw because the milk and the ice cream gonna give it a really nice mix flavor that you find both in Affogato and in your Dalgona coffee. I hope you enjoy the recipe.